Hey guys, oh shit, I didn't even start the video. Okay, so hey guys, this is a tutorial, a meme tutorial on 009, a classic meme from 2009. Alright, this is a CSGO tutorial on how to get emoticons. As you can see here, as I scroll over these icons, you can preview any of these. Like, oh my god, look at this. I could preview my profile with this, or I could do it with this one. Anyway guys, in order to do this, you need Steam points, and that means you've purchased things online before the day of May, but we can't fix that right now. But if you hit this button on the side, you scroll down and you go to the emoticons, and that's where you get the emoticon stickers, emoted stickers. You can type these to your friend, or you get the borders. So this I'm just highlighting the CSGO one. I'm just gonna redeem my points, open my chat log, send it to my friend, like my idiot right here. Boom, what a Pepega. I got the fucking animated sticker. Alright guys, that's how you do the animated sticker tutorial 009 meme review. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.